screen. So I wanted to talk to you guys about all the badges that I see on the screen. They have the description here and we have the breakdown, so I will be able to see what they changed just by badges, what they added. You guys want to stick for the whole breakdown, make sure you pay attention. OG does it the best. So we have also a new thing that has been added to the game, 70 takeovers. Okay, now when I heard that, I'm like, wow, what does that mean? I feel like they're about to change the whole way we get hot and how we play when we get hot, the type of shots we may go and take for that may be more beneficial to the badges we have in the build. So let's start off with badges that we see that's familiar. We're gonna start off with this first row, and we see Aerial Wizard. We already know what Aerial Wizard is, so we can scratch that. We know what this is, but we know it's back in the game, of course, because of alley-oops. We have the badge Float Game, improves players' ability to make floaters. Okay, we've been seeing float game. We know that that's back. Improve Hook Specialist is there. Here's a new one that we come across to Layup Mix Master, improves a player's ability to finish fancy or acrobatic layups successfully. So does this take away acrobat? We're not going to look at the rest of the list, but we see this badge right here, Layup Mix Master. So this lets me feel like when they change a badge or they update it again, like it's like acrobat but they update it again, that lets me know that they probably worked on that area a little more. So we probably gonna see a lot of more unique, better finishes, ways you can finish. We seen Curry already do that crazy layup in the trailer. That's probably one of it. So pay attention, because a lot of people gonna be like, oh, it ain't nothing, but 2K always find a way to do things to switch stuff around. Paint Prodigy, improves a player's ability to quickly and effectively score while going to work in the paint. So this improves your ability to score quickly and effectively. So this speeds your paint. Yeah, oh yeah, that's nice. This speeds your paint moves up basically. All right, and allows you to finish effectively. So this is like consistent finisher in a way, but faster, and it speeds up your layup. Basically like fast twitch and consistent finisher, if y'all remember that badge mixed together. Physical finisher, improves a player's ability to battle through contact and convert contact layups. Okay, that's basically like Fearless Finisher. Post Fade Phenom, we know about that. Post Powerhouse, strengthens a player's ability of backing down defenders and moving them with drop steps. That's just basically drop stepper and back down punisher mixed together. Post Up Poet, okay, rises the chances of faking or getting the defender while scoring or performing moves in the post. This is just basically like shimmy. Yo, they just changing the names. Alright, now I'm on it now. They just changing the names for a few one of them. Come on now. Hopefully the mechanics just correlate different. Okay, and then there's different names and it looks better. They've done that before in previous 2Ks, but come on now. Add some new badges. Posterizer, we've been known about Posterizer. Rise Up, we've been known about this. Deadeye, we've been known about this. Deadeye badge. Limitless Range, we know about Limitless Range. Mini Marksman, elevates the likelihood of making shots over taller defenders. Okay, they brought a badge like this back. I like a badge like this, bringing it back, because we needed something like this to differentiate when we have smaller players and taller players out there on the court, and not everybody just making the same build. Smaller players at least being able to have some attributes to, you know, that just lets me know that they probably nerf certain things when they make this badge come back. We used to have this badge. I forget what the badge was, like Pick and Roll Maestro and, you know, or boost, something like that, you know, but we used to have something like this. Set Shot Specialist, boost chances of knocking down standstill jump shots. We had a shot like this already. I mean, a badge like this. Shifty Shooter, ooh, okay, I like the name of this one. Improves a player's ability to successfully make off the dribble and high difficulty jump shots. Okay, and I feel like this is going to change. The off the dribble and Shifty Shooter, that's going to be a little bit different. That's just going to be shots too while moving. It's not just going to be fades like how they used to have it, I could tell. Just based on what, how the new dribble engine, etc. Okay, Box Out Beast. We have Box Out Beast. We have Rebound Chaser. Okay, we've been known about these two badges. This ain't nothing. All right. Then when we go to playmaking badges, we have the Ankle Assassin. Improves the ability to break down the defender or cross them up. We needed something like this. This badge probably gonna be crazy. We needed Ankle Breaker to just be revamped. I feel like it's going to be a little crazier this year. It's been trash for a few years in 2K. If anybody hasn't remembered, it hasn't been that great. It's been alright, like you could get breaks, but no, we need a little better one where you break them off a different type of combos, a little better. Bailout, we've been new about Bailout. Break Starter. We've been new about Break Starter. Come on now. This is old. Dimer. We've been new about Dimer. Handles for days. We've been known about handles for days. Lightning Launch. Speeds up launches when attacking from the perimeter. This is basically first quick step is back. Yes. So now that we know that first quick step is back, basically like this badge first quick step. Make sure I see all the notes too here. That's it. For dribbling, for bigger guys, something let me know like, yeah, that's it, y'all. Yes, yo. As long as they did this for making a balance back to where it was like the PGs can handle it, the big guys you have handle, but you don't have the cheesy handle like they gave us this year. It's more of the balanced handle. You know what I mean? They've been giving us this cheesy handle to where bigs could just do these little easy moves, these starter pack moves that they give to the randoms really, but the sweaties learn how to use it and make it OP, but the randoms are supposed to use that and it makes the game just easier. I could tell this is being taken away because we're getting a badge like first quick step back. You know what I mean? We've had speed booster, but no, lightning launch is just to change the name up. I know it's the same thing as speed booster, y'all, but it's like I could get it. Remember, when they change names of the badges, the functions could change as well to how it played out. We already know they changed stuff. Strong handles. This is basically physical handles. What the hell? They did not do much with the badges, y'all. So we really getting like a similar game. And from what I'm seeing, a few different badges, but a similar game. What's changing it? It sounded like the takeovers. That's really what's really sounding like what's changing the game a lot. Strong handle reduces the likelihood of being bothered by defenders when dribbling. This is basically physical handles. Unpluggable, we know what that is. Versatile visionary improves the player's ability to thread and fit passes. Bro, what the hell? Quickly and oops on time. That's basically damn. What's the badge called, y'all? Delivery special or whatever. Like, good. What the glove is back? Okay, this better not be OP. I'm not seeing no right stick ripper, so I'm happy. High flying denier boosts the speed and leaping ability of defensive player in anticipation of a block attempt. That's nice. Okay, that's nice. So I'm looking for the key factors that change something on defense. I see right there. I like that. Shifty shooter changes something. Lightning launch changes something. I'm already seeing what's changing the games. You know what people gonna need, crucial badges. This for defense, I could see it. They already said something about height and stuff. And look, I'm not even seeing no damn blocking looking badge. Paint patroller, there we go. That's the badge right there. Immovable enforcer, interceptor. We seen all this pogo brick, post lockdown, pick dodger, increased player ability to block contest shots. Yeah, that's basically rim protector. On ball menace, hounds and bodies up while defending on the perimeter. This is a little bit different. This helps you. This is basically like a badge. I like this. It's like an easy badge. This is like how clamps was. And where the hell is clamps? Oh snap, no clamps. This is basically clamps right here. On ball menace. What the hell? 2K? Oh my god. People probably gonna have a field day with y'all in the comments with this. It's a lot of just changing the name, but the badges do the same type of thing. That's basically clamps. Holy shit. That I don't know about, you know, that's a little bit crazy now. This is a little crazy, 2K. They takeover thing, 70 new takeovers, that's, I feel like is what's about to change the game though, ultimately. Because they're really focused on gameplay. When you think about gameplay, takeover is more gameplay. And that's more gameplay side thing. Badges is more just add-ons. It's not really gameplay in a sense. It is, but I get what I'm saying. I'm talking about function, how you move, the shot you take, you know, consistency, etc. So here's all the new badges right here in 2K. We about to break down the takeover soon. That video's coming next. You guys have probably already seen my builder video that I dropped already. So takeover coming next, man. Let me know what y'all think about the new badges. Also, means a lot of stuff looking the same, y'all, but the 70 new takeovers made me relax my mind because I'm like, okay, that has to be some kind of complex system, and it's going to add to this badge system. Stuff we already had, but these things probably got tweaked and touched, and Mike Wayne's going to go through all that this year. So y'all hit that like, subscribe. Let's get it.
That Mike Wayne. Spin this shit around. That's him.
I'm in Zen just in case. Went to the store today. Went to gangsta out today. She ain't a Zen in the case. I made my way. I made that pay. Call me a Zen today. We say fuck Mike Wayne. We not tryna be your friend. I'm in a park going overseas.
Until I got me a Zen, until I got me a Zen. Until I got me a Zen. I plugged it in again. I'm feeling plugged in. Who got the work again? Who got the script for me? I need the best script to hit the green. Mike Wayne, we said fuck you. We all ballers is in. Everybody in the Discord, 5,000 members. We say fuck Mike Wayne. Wayne, we scream fuck Mike Wayne. You're making all of this pay. Winning all of the events. Winning all like the stage. Winning, shooting the green. I might take a fade. I might take a shade. Fuck Mike Wayne today. We all got a Zen. Plug it in again. Man, who got the work for me? I need all the scripts. I need everything. Who got the work for me? I need me a Zen. I plugged it again.